In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display two time zones in your Outlook calendar. This is especially helpful if you collaborate across regions or travel frequently and want to avoid mental math when scheduling. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. Click the official Outlook website from the results and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and switch to your calendar. This puts you in the right place to adjust how your schedule is displayed. At the top of the calendar view, find the View option and click it. From the menu that opens, choose Calendar Settings. A settings pane will appear, and you'll see a section called Time Zones. That's where we'll add your second time zone. Click Add Time Zone. You'll get a search field. Type the city or region that represents the time zone you want to follow. It's best to choose a major city that clearly matches the time zone you need, like a headquarters location or your client's city. Once you select it from the results, give this time zone a label. Keep it short and recognizable, such as HQ, client, or the city name, so it's easy to spot at a glance. When you're happy with your selection and label, click Save. Outlook will apply your changes and update the calendar display. You'll now see two time scales along the left side of your calendar, your primary time zone and the one you just added, side by side. This makes it simple to compare availability and pick meeting times that work in both places. A few helpful tips as you use this. If you don't immediately see the second time zone, make sure you're looking at a view that shows time slots such as day or week, and give the page a moment to refresh. Outlook automatically handles daylight saving time changes based on the city you selected, so you won't need to adjust it manually. If your needs change, you can return to the same calendar settings to edit the label, pick a different city, or remove the additional time zone altogether. From here on out, when you create or move events, you'll be able to visualize how the time lines up in both places, reducing back and forth and scheduling errors. That's all it takes to display two time zones in your Outlook calendar quickly and confidently.